Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, students. So, we are your discussant for today. I am Teacher Donette, and together with my co discussant, Teacher Wilbert. This afternoon, we will going to talk about living things depend on their environment for basic needs. So, these are our lesson objectives or learning objectives. So now, before we proceed to our formal discussion, let's have an activity first. So this activity is called Needs versus Wants. All you need to do is I will show you some pictures and then you will identify if that picture belongs to needs or belongs to wants. So are you ready?
Good day, class. I'm Teacher Wilbert, a co-reporters of Teacher Tonet, and today we're going to explore the topic about living things depends on their environment for basic needs. But before we start, I have here an activity called Observe Me and Match Me where I belong. So you're going to do is to match the two pictures according to their prepared environment or their home. Okay, get it? Okay, let's start. But be, but I give you a 5 minutes to answer the questions. So let's start. Okay. So time's up. And now, let's check your answer if you get it correct. Okay, let's start. Okay. So, number 1. Yes, fish live in the pan because they feel safe and it's prepared environment to live. And number 2, correct. Live in the tree because they feel safe to the predator. And number 3, that's great. Dog live in a doghouse or home upang hindi ito lamigin at maging safety. And last number 4, what did you answer? Oh wow, that's great. Flower is in the garden to grow and upang to the garden to connect their environments. And now, oh, oh, who get perfect? Oh, that's awesome. And now, let's proceed to the next activity called Look, Think, and Protect. So you're going to do is to observe the pictures and answer the questions corresponding it. You get it? Okay, let's start.
Hello again everyone. So we're done with our activity. So now let's proceed to our formal discussion. So, we are going to learn about what humans need to live and grow. Just like plants and animals, we humans have basic needs to survive. Let's look at the three important things that humans need: the air, water, and foods. First, we have air. Air is what we breathe. Our bodies need air to keep us alive and help us play, learn, and grow. So we breathe in air through our noses and mouths. Next, we have water. Water is like a super important thing for our bodies. It helps us stay healthy, keeps our skin happy, and helps our bodies do all sorts of amazing things. We drink water every day, so our bodies stay healthy. And now, finally, we have foods. Foods is what our bodies need for energy. There are lots of different types of foods that we eat, and it helps us be big and strong. So the types of foods that we eat every day is like vegetables, fishes, meats, and fruits. So now let's proceed to the basic needs of animals. Let's look at three important things that animals need. Also the air, the water, and also the shelter. First, we have air. Air is what animals need to breathe. Just like as humans, animals like dog, cat, even fish, or a turtle needs air to breathe too. So, air is very important for us to live. And then next, we have water. Water is like a refreshing drink for animals. It helps their bodies work right. Animals drink water to stay healthy, and it is what they live in. So next we have water. Water is like a refreshing drink for animals too. It helps their bodies work right. So animals also need water to drink to stay healthy, and it is what they live in. So water is very important for animals also. And then finally, we have shelter. Shelter is like a house for animals. It keeps them safe from the weather and from other animals that might want to hurt them. Like as humans, we have shelter to protect our body and to stay safe and healthy. It is a place for them to sleep and be with their families. Lastly is the basic needs of a plant. So we're going to learn about what plants need to live and grow. Just like us humans and also animals, plants have basic needs to survive. Now, let's look at the three important things that plants need: the soil, the water, and the sunlight. First, we have soil. Soil is like a plant's dinner plate. It gives plants a place to anchor their roots and provides them with yummy nutrients like vitamins that helps them grow strong and healthy. So the soil is where plants get their food. Next, we have water. Water is like a refreshing drink for plants also. They soak up water through their roots and it helps them carry nutrients from the soil all the way up to their leaves. Water keeps plants hydrated and helps them make their own food. Finally, we have sunlight. Sunlight is like a plant's energy source. Plants use sunlight to make their own food in a process called photosynthesis. It's like they're tiny chefs using the sun's energy to cook up a delicious meal.
So good day class, Teacher Wilbert is back and now I'm discussing to you the topic about protecting our environment that provide our basic needs. So what is environment? The environment is everything around us. For example, air, water, land, plants, animals, our homes, and our towns. So what is our basic needs? According to teacher Tonette, basic needs is food, water, air, and shelter. Food that we can eat, water that we can drink, and air that we breathe, and shelter that we live. And these things are essential. We must have to live. So without this thing, there's something kulang sa atua. So how the environment give us these basic needs? So clean air to breathe and clean water to drink, soil and plant for food, and safe place to live and play. So what is happen when the environment is not protected? If the air is polluted, what happened to us? Yes, we may get sick. And if the water is dirty or wasted, we can drink safely. So, the people or kita lang gyapon lang mag-suffer. So, how we can protect the environment or what we can do to protect it? So first, turn off light when we leave a room. So ginapalong ba natong sugaw sa tamong gawa sa atong balay or sa atong kwarto? Wow, that's great. Second is water. Save water. So, for example, turn off tap while brushing your teeth. Samtang nag-brush ta ginapalong mo natong ang tubig para makasave ta og water. Wow, that's great. And third, sort and recycle waste. So, when we recycle waste, we can help our environment or the world to decrease the pollution. And third, plant plant a tree or grow a small plant to make a new plants. It helps us to generate oxygen and the oxygen that we breathe. And fourth, walk or use bicycle instead of motorcycle when possible. So, by using this, we can decrease the pollution by the machineries that harm our environment. So why is it important to us and for the future? By protecting our environment, we make sure that we can mali, so why is important to us to protect our environment and for the future? So by protecting our environment, we make sure that we can continue to get our basic needs in the future. And also it is part of our responsibility and caring about the world as a human. So gina-protect ba nato atong environment? So that's great. And also, this is our this is end of our report and I hope you learned something. Thank you and goodbye.
Nature's balance, oxygen. All living creatures breathe in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide in order to live. Plants take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen. Animals take in oxygen and release carbon dioxide. Plants make their own food. They absorb carbon dioxide in the air and water from the soil. Leaves contain chlorophyll, which uses sunlight as a source of energy to break down carbon dioxide and water into food. Oxygen is released during this breakdown. This process is known as photosynthesis. Will we ever run short of oxygen? If deforestation continues at a rapid rate and no more new trees are planted, it could lower the supply of oxygen.
I have here three guided questions about the video I presented to you. So first, why do we need plants? We need plants because they give us the air we breathe. They also give us food to eat, like fruits and vegetables. Plus, they make our world beautiful. And then the second question, what happens to the air we breathe out? So when we breathe out, we release a gas called carbon dioxide. Plants use this gas to make their own food. So the air we breathe out helps plants grow. And then the last question, how do plants and animals help each other? Plants and animals help each other in many ways. Plants give us oxygen to breathe and food to eat. Animals give plants carbon dioxide and help spread their seeds so more plants can grow. It's like a team effort. So when we say a carbon dioxide,